Good morning. Welcome to week 12, guys. I can't believe it's been 12 weeks since we've been looking at this content. I see your names, and I can go into Aspen and see some pictures. Some of the pictures are old. Some people don't have pictures. So I don't even know what most of you guys look like. But at the same time, I've seen your personalities come through, and you're all about me presentations and just the work that you submit. Kudos to several of you who are doing a fantastic job in this class. I have, 80%, maybe even more than that of the class are at 100% averages or very, very high A's. Just doing a fantastic job, turning in work, watching the videos, and hopefully picking up some skills. Everything that we do in this class should be something that you can use in your other classes. That's why I do the assignments I do. We're a little bit in a handicap this semester with being sort of shackled to the Google Suite and not being able to go in and do other Microsoft activities. But if you have those apps at home, if you have the Microsoft Office suite, then you should be able to still carry over several of these skills. Okay, we're going to move forward. This week is not really work heavy, but it should be very quality heavy. So in looking, you have 2 starters and 2 assignments. And the first one is an assignment that I really enjoy. It's Italy Scavenger Hunt. So I want to show you, when you click on the starter, it's going to take you to open it in a new window and, of course, make a copy. And it's going to take you to a presentation telling you what to do to name it up. But what this presentation is going to do is to navigate you through, it's kind of twofold for me. First of all, you'll be exploring the Google Arts and Culture website, which is a wonderful, wonderful extension of Google that I hope that you've seen before. I hope this is not the first time that you're seeing Google Arts and Culture, because it works so well in so many classes. But after Google Arts and Culture, once you get there, so let's just do this together. I'm going to click on the link. It's going to take you to the Grand Tour of Italy. As you scroll down, there'll be multiple videos. It says 4 cities in 1 journey. And when you're going through the presentation here, so you've got Venice, Rome, different parts of Italy, looking at art and culture and maps. So when you're on this starter project over here, it's going to tell you exactly what to do. So it's going to navigate through what you should go look at when you go to the Grand Tour of Italy. It'll tell you to go in and choose one of these 4 cities. Once you click on an individual city, it will link you down to a slide deeper into the presentation where you're going to have to do some research on the website and answer a series of questions. And you'll see that this is also evidence of the power of linking that we already learned about I guess that was last week or the week before. So when we were looking at linking, we just did what I call virtual flashcards. We went back and forth between 2 slides. But when I clicked on that, which was slide 3, it then took me down to slide 7, where there's information for me to input in for this text box for Venice. So it's just another way for you to look at some of the features and explore how slides can work in a presentation. So to me, you're going to be learning, looking at this website, Arts and Culture, and then you're going to go back in and see some of the features of how to link things up inside of Google Slides, because that's the unit that we're finishing up. Now, with that being said, you have 2 days. If you look at the agenda, it's going to tell you, this presentation tells you to do this for 1 city. I feel like it's going to be helpful and powerful for you to go in and do it for 2. So you'll do 1 city 1 day, fill in all the information. You'll be able to explore. You'll have to go in and answer a variety of questions. And then on the next day, go in and pick a different city and go through the same topics or same structure. There are 4 available. You'll do 2 total. I think that's pretty clear on the agenda. I want to make sure that you are writing your responses and answering your questions like you're a high school student. So I'm looking for complete sentences. I'm looking for use of vocabulary. I am not looking for you to copy and paste. I am not looking for you to put 2 words when it says the word describe. So let's make sure that we have our embedded, just good student skills laced throughout that as well, since you don't have but 2 assignments this week. Okay, so closing out of that one, once you finish with it in the module, you'll go down to the assignment section and turn it in right here. Next is your marquee slide assessment, and this is going to be the bulk of what you're going to be doing this week after you finish. So I have you down for the scavenger hunt for Italy on Monday and Tuesday. And then, well, you can ignore these dates because I did this in the classroom last week. Your dates on the module are fine. So as you go through, the objective of this assessment is to prepare a presentation for a movie production company. Scrolling down, I have typed this up to tell you exactly what to put inside of the presentation. So it says create a new slide with the title of Marquee Productions and the subtitle of Marquee Production Meeting. After that, you enter in a new slide with the following content are your keywords right here. And that just says this is what you type on every slide. And there's a series of those. Once you have all of the slides done, you'll move on to the requirements. And there are step-by-step procedures on what I want you to do to change this presentation to show me that you know what you're doing based on the videos that you watched in previous weeks. So this is basically your big test. Please make sure when you're working through this that you are reading everything, that you are going in and double checking, because when you have step-by-step procedures like this, quite honestly, the only reason that you would not earn a high grade is just being very lazy, and you have way too much time to do this for that to be the case. So 2 main assignments this week: the Italy scavenger hunt and using the Google Arts and Culture website, and then going in and also working through this marquee production presentation and making sure it really looks to me like you've just completed a unit in the Google Slides app. As always, let me know if you turn anything late. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if a file doesn't work. All those things I am happy to fix. Have a great week.